Jong executive head
Ka Meghalaya klala ban le bha ka Limpong National Games hadien baklayo Khur Tylli ki Takma ka jingle kai canoeing ha Uttarakhand kinong job ki kintup yu samla pinch ngain kurba u Indra Sharma ka Elizabeth Vincent u Vikash Rana ha ka jingi kun para marwe kat ba ka Kiran Devi bat ka B Anandhi kilayo Takma ha ka lightweight women's double sculls Hakajing ikreling ba ka video u Conrad ula ai ku blake nong job bakan thup yo coach u Ian but ka team manager ka Sheila ki blak kente ka jing kershan ka sarkar but ka jing treshi tom jongki ban wanra ya ka jing job
How are you all feeling today? So I just wanted to take this opportunity to once again congratulate all of you for this great achievement that you have achieved and for bringing laurels to your family, to your association, and of course to the state as a whole. And as your Chief Minister, I just want to tell you that we are very, very proud of you. We'll be waiting to receive you here in Shillong, and a lot of exciting discussions are there. I have shared some of them with Pinchnai. The rest I will share with you when you all come here.
Katura agri